So the question is, how did I like Iowa? Well, it's a whole different world, guys. A whole different world. I'm answering this question for Ben and for anyone else who wants to know. It's like a culture shock, you know. I lived there, and I did like living there. It was it's good for raising your kids if you want to raise kids over there. You know, the place is quiet, boring as heck. Nothing like the city over here. It was nice living in Iowa. The thing that I hated about living in Iowa was that I wasn't close to my family. You know, I was not close to my family at all, because most of my family is here in the East Coast, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and I miss being, you know, near my family, and you know, and the surroundings of what I grew up in, you know. But it's not too bad, you know. Iowa is not too bad at all, but nice place to I mean, if you're bored, you gotta figure something out to do, you know. When I lived in Iowa, I had a woodworking shop. As a matter of fact, that's where I got my CDL back in 1998. At the time, I was looking for a job. I was looking for a job so bad when I moved there. And one day I saw a school bus company. They were just, this was in the summertime, and they were looking for drivers really bad. They needed drivers. They had a sign right on the side of the bus, and it said, "Now hiring drivers, will train." So I got all my training free with this school bus company, and that's how I got my CDL, guys. And that's one way to get your CDL. Okay, if you can find a bus company, doesn't matter if it's a school bus company, transit bus, that will train you, because I know that the company that I work for in New Jersey, they train you. All right, let me get way until these people pass. Okay, so they train you, and but you have to be with them. It depends on the company. Some people, they want you to stay for 3 years. Some companies want you to stay for a year.
Turn right onto Creston Avenue.
And the company that I was with, they want you to stay for, they used to be 3 years, and then they changed to 1 year. But if you leave in less than whatever amount they say, you have to pay for the training. So that's the thing about it, guys. So if you want to get your CDL, guys, try to find a bus company that can do the training, that can train you. And that's how I got my CDL, guys, back in 1998, when I was looking for, you know, for a job. So take care, guys. Be safe.